You're not going to make it, Adam.
I actually want it to work.
I wanted to work
Wait,
too.
what are you trying to do?
Trying to jump to the next one. I know, he's just going to slide in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
either shit or get off the pot. Let's go.
I think he's getting off the pot.
I don't think so.
No, I mean, either way, he's falling.
That's the truth. Oh my gosh.
We're ready.
So tough.
I just don't know if you are.
No way!
And now he's screwed.
Now he can come over here.
No, you can't.
If he can get a hold
Give me
on
my
this thing.
Okay, that dad got over apparently. I'll go do a Lloyd vacation. Surrounded by stupidity.
You get hold of this stick. Do not let go.
You are so freaking committed right now.
There's no way out.
Go up to your right.
Are you gonna let me go, Michael?
I'll let you go.
So you're gonna hold on.
Oh, I'll hold on.
He's
You'll be
not
slammed
gonna
against the rock. Hold on to it with both hands.
You just got to run up it.
It looks pretty slick.
No, he's gotta. No, if he goes higher up, he's bad.
I can just slide right in and go higher up.
You got to run right up that red rock.
Yeah, run right up this rock. Don't let go of the stick.
He's stupid committed at this point.
Sure.
Grab the stick, let it go.
Don't go halfway though.
Adam, I would let go of your stick and just go for my stick.
It's really deep.
Where's the backpack?
It's really deep.
You gotta hang on to this stick.
You
for
will
all your
get
life.
fully soaked.
Okay, you've been 3 minutes video. Come on.
All right. On the count of 3.
Michael won't let go of the stick.
Until it's ripped from his grasp.
Yeah, Mark, grab high.
Oh my gosh.
Go big or go home.
Ready? Yeah. I got it. Oh, you non-believer! He almost went backwards.
Oh